Hello everybody, I have a new sight that came in. I ordered a black gold slider. It has a revenge head, so it's got micro adjustable pins. I got an 1 3/4 housing. The first 0.19 pins, the top 2 are green, the middle is yellow, and the bottom 2 are green and 0.1. I went with that because I find red harder to see as it gets darker, and I went with the top 3 up to 40 bigger pins, so in low light conditions I can still see well. And then once I get the bow set up, with the sight set up and I'm at the range, I'll have the slide feature. And what I like about this black gold is that it locks, so when I loosen it up, it'll move up and down. Okay, when I bought the sight, it came with 2 screws. The mount on the riser. So this bow came with a much larger peep than what I'm used to, and I'm going to take this peep off and put a smaller one on, because this is sight picture wise, it's just too big. So let's press this bow. So I have the adapters on the bow. I have the press on the bow. I am ready to press with this sketch pulley system. It's really just one. That's it. So I have enough to work on the peep. Okay, cut off smaller G5 peep. Then the pressing, unpressed now. So with the bow leveled out, I got it leveled. This axis here, 1, 2. So this is my second axis, and this has been adjusted to the riser. So right here is the 3rd axis screw. It comes with a sticker on it here, this one, that says don't turn it at half and turn in either direction. And on the opposite side, there's the lockdown screw. So I need to loosen up this one to turn the head to adjust. My Hemiska here, it is level. And my 30 axis is off. I've turned maybe a 1/4 turn here. That is dead on.